Good morning, children. Today we are doing chapter 8 and Earth Day Carol. You know the meaning of carol? Carol is a special song, and you may have heard about Christmas carols. Christmas carols, we sing the songs on Christmas. And in this chapter we will be reading about a carol that is sung on the Earth Day. So, Earth Day is a special day like other days, like Children's Day or other days. So, it is a carol for Earth Day. Now, let's start this chapter. This play is inspired by Charles Dickens' famous book, A Christmas Carol. It reminds us that we are responsible for the damage we are causing to the environment. And in this chapter, it asks us for the damage that we are doing to the environment. How can we make the earth or our environment damage? By throwing the bits of papers here and there, by throwing the things, empty bottles, empty plastic things here and there. In this way we make our environment dirty. Hence it is our duty to clean up the mess. And in this chapter the following are the narrator, Ebenezer Littlebug, and children 1 to 8. Characters are Native American boy, Native American girl, speaker, and Ghost of Earth Day past, Ghost of Earth Day present, Ghost of Earth Day future. Act 1. It was the day before Earth Day, and all through the town no litter was anywhere, not up, down or down. Now the narrator is saying this is the day before the Earth Day, and the whole town was neat and tidy, and no litter was anywhere. Litter means any rubbish, any dirtiness was there in the town, not up, down or down. Walking along, kicking a can, garbage is hanging out of his pocket. Bah, Earth Day, Ebenezer Littlebug says. He is making fun of the Earth Day. Hey, Ebenezer Littlebug, tomorrow is Earth Day. The whole town has been cleaning for weeks. Pick up your garbage. A child asks him, Ebenezer Littlebug, tomorrow we are celebrating the Earth Day, so whole town has been cleaning for weeks. Pick up your garbage that you are throwing. Mind your own beeswax. What do we pray street cleaners for? He says, mind your own beeswax means mind your own business. You do whatever you are doing. Don't interrupt me or don't ask me to do anything else. And he asked, what do we pray? What do we pay street cleaners for? Why we are paying to the street cleaners? They will be doing that. Looking after the environment is everybody's business, Ebenezer. That is what Earth Day is all about. He says, looking after the environment is everybody's business. That is what Earth Day is all about. Why we are celebrating Earth Day? This is only to give the masses we have to keep our surrounding neat and tidy. Earth Day. Wah, Earth Day. Both children throw their hands up in frustration. These two children, they were asking him not to make the place dirty, but when he did not listen to them and make fun of the Earth Day, the both children throw their hands up in frustration and walk off in opposite directions. Now Act 2. Ebenezer's bedroom. Ebenezer Littlebug lay asleep in his bed, sorry fellow. There was much to dread. He was sleeping in his bed and he was fast asleep, and in his dream he will see everything. Ghost of Earth Day past comes to his dream. carries a leafy tree branch to Ebenezer's bed, leans over and taps his shoulders. He taps like this. Hey Ebenezer, you get up. Rise and shine, Ebenezer baby. He asks him, can you rise and shine, Ebenezer baby, sitting up with a start, rubbing his eyes. Who are you? He is doing all these activities in his dream. He rubs his eyes and he sits up and he asks, who are you? Ghost of Earth Day Past. I am the ghost of Earth Day Past. You are making a mess of the earth. You need a lesson. Come. Ebenezer gets out of bed and follows the ghost to a woodland area. Where are we? This is awesome. Clean and green. He asks, where we are? This is awesome. Clean and green. We are in America in 1492. This is how our country looked before wasting and polluting became the ways of the land. He asked him how our country was looking in 1492 and how the country looked before wasting and it was polluted by the people. The ways of the land means how the people were making use of the earth. Native American boy and girl walk past and stop. Boy. Father says we must respect the earth. If we treat her well, she will reward us with food and all that is good. And both exit. They say how we treat the earth, it will reward in the same way. And it will give us food and all that is good for us. Ghost of Earth Day Past. All things here are pure and clean because the people took care of the earth. We must leave now. Now the ghost says, now all the things are pure and clean here and we should leave now because the people took care of the earth. Ghost leads Ebenezer back to his bedroom. Ghost of Earth Day Past. Wait for the next ghost. See you around, Ebenezer buddy. Waving by, Ebenezer lays down and the ghost exists. Now the ghost of past has introduced Ebenezer the earth, how it was looking in the past. How it was neat and tidy, how it was pure and how the people was getting the things in a right order. Ebenezer was tossing and turning in bed. Tossing means when we take turns here and there. Wondering, where is the next ghost? What lies ahead? Ghost of Earth Day Present walks to Ebenezer's bed, leans over and takes the covers off. Wake up, sleepyhead. We have got to make tracks out of here. He beckons with his finger to follow quickly to a recycling center. Now he asks him, wake up, sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means the people who are inactive, who do not pay attention very fast, or those who are not attentive one. And a recycling center means a center where the things are recycled. Recycle means they are made from the wastage of the things, like the broken plastics. From broken plastic we can make some other things again. And where these things are made, that is called a recycling center. Ebenezer, who are you? I am the ghost of Earth Day Present. Follow me. The two walk together to a recycling center. Now the ghost of present is there and it is showing Ebenezer how the earth looks now. Why are we here? Look, listen and learn. A group of children are standing as a speaker is talking. The first Earth Day was on April 22nd, 1970. Earth Day is a day to enjoy our planet, learn about our planet and help our planet. What can you do to help the earth? Now, when the Earth Day is celebrated on April 22nd every year, and first of all it was celebrated in 1970. How can we do to help the earth? And now children, you learn how or what we can do to keep the earth neat and tidy. Don't throw out your cans, glass, plastics or papers. Recycle. Throw your garbage in a trash bin. Don't litter. And you should throw your garbage in a trash bin, in a dustbin. Don't litter, don't spoil and don't throw the things here and there. Don't waste water. Fix leaky faucets. If any tap is leaking, so you should, faucets means taps. If any leaky taps are there, so you should fix them and you should get them repaired. Turn the water off while you are brushing your teeth. When you brush your teeth, you keep the taps on, so you should keep them off. When you need, only that time you should turn the taps on. Walk, use the bus or carpool. Carpool, you know what is carpool? If a car runs on the road, it uses the same petrol. Whether one person goes by it or 5 people go by it. So if we are going on the same route and we are taking other people along with us, that is called carpool. Energy is precious. As you know, if 5 cars will be moving on the road, more energy will be used, more petrol will be used. If 5 people will be using one car, then energy will be used. It can be saved. Energy is precious. Turn off the lights and turn the heat down. Use it and we will all lose it. He says, if we are not using the lights, we should turn off the lights and turn the heat down. We should use the lights, but if we are not using them properly, we will be losing it one day. Reuse your shopping bags, plastics and aluminium foil. Always try to use things more than once. Recycle your toys, books and clothes. Give them to children who need them. These kids really think that they can make a difference. Walking back to Ebenezer's bedroom. You had better hope so, Ebenezer. We are all depending on it. The next ghost will come to show you why. And now this ghost is giving a lesson. Ki you have seen all these, and next ghost will show you why we should do these things. Act 4. Ebenezer's bedroom. Ebenezer waited. Could he not guess? He was about to see one huge mess. Now Ebenezer waited, and could he not guess? He could guess. He was about to see one huge mess that he is not aware of. Ghost of Earth Day future goes to Ebenezer's bed, taps his shoulder and walks away. Hey, wait! Who are you? He jumps up and runs after the ghost to a vast wasteland. They stop to look around. Ghost of Earth Day future. I am the ghost of Earth Day future. I live here where there are no living things, only garbage and pollution. Now he is saying that if you are not taking care of the earth, you will be having these heaps of garbage and pollution in our surrounding. This can't be. I am out of here. Runs to hide under his blanket. Now this garbage was giving a bad smell and a lot of pollution was there, and he could not bear that, and he comes out and he runs to hide under his blanket. Now ghost exits. Act 5. Ebenezer's bedroom. Ebenezer rose with just one thought in his head. It's Earth Day, by golly. He is surprised. I am not staying in bed. Now I am not staying in bed because today is a Earth Day. Jumping up and running to a group of children at the park. Happy Earth Day, everyone. And he goes to the park and wishes everybody Happy Earth Day. Is that you, Ebenezer Litterbug? The child asks, you are really a litterbug? Yes, it's me, but I have changed. Now he says, I have changed. Are you going to stop littering and polluting? Yes. Child 2 asked him, are you going to stop? Are you going to stop littering and polluting? He says, yes. Are you going to follow the 3 R's and always reduce, reuse and recycle? Yes, yes. Are you going to live in the spirit of the Earth Day and take care of the world? Yes, yes, yes. What the children were asking, he was giving a positive response. All to the tune of We Wish You a Merry Christmas. On the tune of this song, they sing a song for the earth. We wish you a happy Earth Day. We wish you a happy Earth Day. We wish you a happy Earth Day and recycling day too. We will not waste or litter. Wherever we go, we will help Mother Nature and we will all live and grow. Now children, you have seen if we do not take care of this earth in present, we will be having heaps of pollution in our future and the earth will be polluted and we will be having everything polluted in our surrounding. So children, you have learned from this chapter a lesson that we should take care of earth and we should keep our surrounding neat and tidy. Thank you all. And you read this chapter again and try to do the exercises. In the next class, we will be doing the exercises. Thank you all.